of rain.
Alright, we got a flood warning.
Where portions of central and northern New Jersey.
We got a flood warning, guys.
Counties in central New Jersey, Mercer. In northern New
Got
Jersey,
flood warning.
Curtin and Somerset. When until noon. Impacts, flooding of creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is in
Flood warning, guys.
Additional details at 7:46 a.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across portions of the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. For Nishanik and Reville, at 7:30 a.m. the stage was 7.11 feet. Flood stage is 6.5 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/
Just went off.
Flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.
Oh.